If you have ADHD and you're considering nursing school, you may be wondering if the challenges you face with attention and focus is going to make it more difficult for you to succeed in school. So, in this video, we're going to be exploring the unique challenges that are faced by nursing students that have ADHD and provide strategies to help you overcome them. We're going to be discussing the importance of creating a structured routine, utilizing study skills. We're also going to be providing tips on how to manage stress and to avoid burnout. So, whether you're a nursing student or maybe you're someone with ADHD considering entering into a nursing program, this video is going to provide you insights and resources to help you succeed in school. So, tune in now and learn how to navigate nursing school with ADHD. So, the number one thing we want to discuss is making sure you're developing a really good study schedule. And so, what I mean by that is you always want to make sure that you have an effective study strategy. So, every single day, you have a plan of exactly how you're going to study. Same time, same area, same place, having a schedule, and then also having a schedule for your break times. So, there's always going to be a break, there's always going to be a study schedule. It's very imperative that you set a study schedule and able to study effectively. So these study sessions, you want to make sure that it's going to be in the same place, same time, but you also want to make sure it's going to be a point where this becomes a habit over time. So once you do this over and over and over again, it's going to be like second nature to you. So make sure you set a study schedule. Another thing I want to make sure you guys understand is making sure you guys are minimizing the distractions, because nothing is worse when you're trying to study and you're distracted by so many things, which can be your cell phone. So making sure that's in DNDA mode, or maybe having it in a completely different room altogether. Making sure you don't have any sort of computer websites up or a TV on in the room. It can also be like family and friends. Like you might live with other people and they might be in another room and they might be really loud, and that could be distracting. So another thing to consider is using some noise canceling headphones or headsets that puts you in a mode where it's quiet, making sure you're in a very quiet, distracted-free zone so that when you are studying, it is all about studying and you're not distracted. So make sure you make that a point to not be somewhere where you can't focus. So a distraction-free environment. Another thing that's actually really helpful as well is visual aids. So visual aids can be anything such as diagrams, flow charts, mnemonics. Nursing.com has amazing mnemonics that can help you retain information and also can help you organize your thoughts a little better. So really helpful visual aids can be very beneficial. Another thing that I actually think is probably the most important, especially for anyone with ADHD in nursing school, is making sure you guys seek support. So it can be anything from your professors to any academic advisors, family, friends, classmates, anything like that. Please don't be afraid to reach out to anyone for support, because nursing school in general for anybody can be very difficult and very challenging. So making sure you have a strong support system that you can go to ask advice or just to be supportive and listen to you is so important. Especially, they may even be able to give you some tips or any sort of accommodations that can help you manage your ADHD symptoms that you may be experiencing. So please make sure you guys are seeking out that help and that support while you're in nursing school. So overall, as we know, nursing school is very challenging as itself, but with the right resources and the right support that you can get from people, it is very possible to succeed in nursing school with ADHD. So I hope this video really helped and resonated with a lot of you, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, happy nursing.